गोय विद्यापीठाचो शुक्रारा 33वो पदवीदान सुवाळो जालो. ह्या वेळार राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लय, मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत तशेंच विद्यापीठाचे हेर मानेस्त हाजीर आसले. फकत बरें शिक्षण न्ही जाल्यार तांच्या सांगातान बरें व्यक्तिमत्व गरजेचें अशें मत राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लय हाणें ह्या वेळार व्यक्त केलां.
I'm extremely happy to attend this function. This is an auspicious moment in my life. When I was a student, the degree of law, while the university was distributing, due to my over activities related to politics, on that occasion, I didn't attend that function. Now I am repenting. And anyway, Goa University is considered as one of the best universities in our country. Of course, there may be some drawbacks. That's quite natural. In our assembly discussions, discussions are always protected under law. But it is stated that our university, some deterioration suggested by somebody, they have got the right to do that. I would like to say that if a close scrutiny of things, our university is maintaining its standard and developing day by day. There was an amendment to the Constitution in 1956. In that constitutional amendment, our Constitution stipulates that mother tongue should be given the first priority.